and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick thrifted transformations for you guys. So I went thrifting and I found these clothes. So this is a maxi skirt, another maxi skirt, and this is a dress. I am going to turn this dress to a skirt. So my daughter loved this, but it's actually way too short for her. Let's work on the dress first. So I'm basically just going to cut the top. Also need an elastic. So I just want to make sure that the elastic I'm going to use is going to fit. So I'm gonna cut about 2.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to mark it 2.5 inches from there. The same thing. So this is going to be super easy. I'm going to cut it separately because we don't want it to be uneven. So I'm just going to cut it. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to get an elastic. So the elastic should be a little shorter than the waistline. Just like that. I'm going to stitch along the edge. And now you have this to make it more secure. So I am going to place the elastic inside and stitch it along. Sew it all the way around. The next one is this plaid skirt, and there is nothing wrong with it except the waistline is way too big. So I'm going to take it in and maybe hem it, just because the hemline is asymmetrical and my daughter did not care for that, and plus it is way too long for her. So the first thing I will do is hem it. I'm just going to cut it. Fold it once and twice and then sew along. So this is about 2 inches. Same thing here, and I'm just going to stitch it along here. Okay, and it's gonna create a little pleat. Now this is the finished skirt. As you can see, it looks cuter and smaller, and look at the back. We created a small pleat. Good thing about this trick is you don't have to cut or seam rip on the waistline, so it is super easy. I use this technique in so many of my skirt alterations. It's so easy to do, and I think anyone can do it. Actually, if you don't feel like sewing or if you don't know how to sew, just put a safety pin right here and you are good to go. So that's that. Last but not the least is this skirt. I am going to turn it to a t-shirt. Actually, I feel like I want to wear this skirt just because it looks so comfortable. I don't know, should I turn it into a shirt or just leave it as a skirt? Actually, I changed my mind. So I'm just going to tailor it so it will fit my waistline. As you can see, it's way too big. So now let's go and do that. I tried it on and this is how much I need to take it in. So let me just get my handy dandy crayon. I'm just going to cut it all the way down. Okay. Here someone stitched the slit. I'm going to remove that. As you can see, it looks so much better and it fits me perfectly now, and the slit is back. That's it, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this thrifted transformation tutorials, and if you would like to see more of this type of videos, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know which one is your favorite transformation and leave your comment down below. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!